The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Ashland County, northwestern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lorain County until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wellington, Oregon, 17 miles west of Medina, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
Yep, thunderstorm warning for Ashland again.
Damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Medina, Wellington, Lodi, Crescent, West Salem, Chippewa Lake, Hope, Sullivan, Seville, Penfield, Westfield Center, Spencer, Glory Glen Park, Burbank, Congress, Rochester, Chippewa on the Lake, and Briarwood Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Lorain, Medina, and Wayne.